Between K-pop and 국악, which one do you enjoy listening to the most?
K-pop.
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 K-pop idols. BTS, Twice, Red Velvet, Blackpink are all really famous in America.
I think of more like traditional music that uses like harps, ciphers, and then also flutes as well.
I think 국악, national music.
What's the difference between K-pop and 국악?
K-pop is definitely more modern and draws influences from other cultures outside of Korea. I think it can also draw inspiration from traditional music within Korea, such as pansori. K-pop, I hear it pretty much everywhere these days.
국악은 전통적이고 K-팝은 현대적이고
힙합은 현대적이고 국악은 전통적이고 K-팝도 많이 접하게 됐는데요.
사실 중학교부터 K-팝만 들었어요.
국악 is liked by older people, K-pop is liked by younger people. It seems so, but in future lectures, you will also see many young musicians attempting various crossovers based on Korean traditional music. In this course, we want to treat Korean music as living tradition. Sometimes music speaks to philosophy, sometimes philosophy questions music. Through this course, I believe you will be able to gain a deeper understanding of Korean music and learn about the philosophical perspectives underlying Korean music.